How to switch back to personal account in Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your business account to personal account in Instagram. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to switch back from business account to personal account on Instagram, first of all open Instagram app, and here you have to click on your profile picture, and after that click on three horizontal lines on top right corner and just scroll down, and here you can see for professionals. My this account is professional or business account, so that's why it's showing here. So if I want to switch this account to personal account, I will just click on business tools and controls and just scroll down, and here you can see switch account type. Click on it, and here you will see two different options: switch to personal account or switch to creator account. So if I want to switch to personal account, I will just click on first option and confirm switch to personal account. And now you can see I have successfully changed my Instagram account from business to personal account. So if I see here, now you can see here no professional dashboard is appearing. It means that my account has been successfully changed to personal account. So guys, in this way you can change your Instagram account from professional or business to personal account. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.